1804. We've got a couple calls on it now, one confirming the train on fire from Amtrak itself. They're reporting they believe the train is still occupied.
Alright, Fireground at Squirt 67, ladder 48 to the assignment.
Chief Staff and the police are saying you have to enter across from Pantry 1 and through Phil to get to it.
Engine 8, respond.
Engine 8, 1804.
Fireground, contact Amtrak, see about killing the power in this corridor, please.
That's correct, we are working on it.
Ladder 48, report.
Units responding to the train fire, the police are advising the access for now is through Phil's, across from Pantry 1. You will have to cut the fence. I do also have a call reporting a subject in the front cockpit of the train that may be trapped.
Fireground, I'm on location, establishing command.
1807.
67, confirmed.
Engine 7 is fine.
1808.
Chief 7, engine 8. Alright, you're going to come in the entrance to Phil's Landscaping. Drop a line at the entrance there, and lay in.
Line at the entrance of Phil's Landscaping, copy.
Fireground, I have visible fire at the top of the first car here. I am going to need a representative from SEPTA down here ASAP, please.
We are working on that, Chief. I also have started you 2 BLS and ALS and the supervisor just in case it becomes an issue.
Alright, have EMSPs on Chester Pike across from the incident.
Understood.
Engine 8's on location, dropping in from the entrance to Phil's.
102C 1809, stage on Chester Pike across from the entrance to Phil's Landscape.
Ladder 48, north.
Square 67.
Chief 7, just be advised, Amtrak and SEPTA were notified. Amtrak is working on shutting down the power, but they have not confirmed that has happened yet. We're waiting on a phone call back.
Copy. We're not going to be able to fight this until that power is down. We are in the process of trying to evacuate the train. Have my next engine in, grab that line and take it to the hydrant for 08.
Engine 7, copy.
Engine 7 is on location. We're going to try to pick up the line for you.
Engine 7, okay.
Ladder 48 on arrival. I need your crew up front here. We're going to start evacuating the train. Did you gain entrance into the fence? We have access on the one side here that's wide open. I got it, Chief. Ladder 48 is on location. Ladder 7 en route undermanned. Port 67 location.
Port 67, 1812.
We need more pressure on this line. Let's have the 18 available. You come over to the train side, help me cut a fence. More pressure coming.
Amos 2 and Amos 12, if you didn't copy, stage across from the entrance of the landscaping on Chester Pike.
Amos 2, copy. Engine 48, Chief 7. Firewood, be advised, Engine 48 at the Chester Pike and the track. We're cutting the fence to get the people off the track.
Okay, Chief 7 direct, command direct.
Negative, Firewood, repeat.
Engine 48 is taking the fence down at Chester Pike and the Amtrak line to help with evacuations.
Alright, they probably are too far down south. See if they can move up closer into the green parking lot and make access there.
48, copy.
Negative, Firewood, repeat that.
Chief 7's advising you may have better access through the crane parking lot.
We already got the fence cut, Firewood. We're now with the police trying to get the people off the track.
Okay.
Copy, direct. Firewood, can you route EMS their direction, please?
Engine 7, charge the line.
Ladder 7 on location.
Engine
Engine 7, go ahead and supply the line.
EMS operating Ridley Park, switch back to Mid-A.
Q7, engine 7. Can you charge the line, engine 8?
Working on OT.
Barbary, command.
He's calling forward.
That's correct. Have crews use caution. They're reporting track 2 is still active. The power is not secure. Track 2 is still active. The power is not secure. We're still working on it with them. We're waiting on another call back.
Copy, forward. Could you tell that and make the announcement, please?
Units operating in Ridley Park, use caution. Track 2 is still active. The power is not secure. All units check and secure your radios, fire channel 7. All units check and secure your radios, fire channel 7.
Forward. Also, we're evacuating some of the occupants out through the Phillips Park and Chester Pike. If you guys MSB them there to evaluate.
Okay, I'll start a few more units.
Copy, thank you.
Engine 7, engine 8.
Forward to Chief 7, or command.
Rescue.
Alright, I'm working on getting more EMS if you need it to help with evacuations. However, at this time I don't have anybody available in the area. They'd be coming from a distance. You want maybe another fire unit assigned specifically to evacuation?
Forward, that's perfect. That's 27.
Received, I'll add 27.
Captain 67 and Chief 7.
Station 67.
Go over 67, command.
Is the second ambulance up, or are they tied up on the fire unit?
Back to for right now.
Okay.
67 command forward. Advise Chief 7. All passengers are off the train.
Copy, all passengers are off the train. Units operating Ridley Park. The police are advising the staging area for evacuated passengers will be 400 Westchester Pike. 400 Westchester Pike. They already have SEPTA notified to send buses for the passengers.
48, Chief 7.
48, go ahead, I'll relay.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find out if you got a command post set up somewhere.
I believe in the landscaping parking lot across from Pantry 1. Barbara to command, Ridley Park command.
Yeah.
Where is your command post, both Chief 48 and Amtracker and Clarence?
I am in the Phillips parking lot.
Chief 48, copy.
Yes, up in my vehicle. Directly out there.
Chief 7 on fireboard.
Proceed.
Can you start me 2 red assignments, please? And also 2 additional engine companies.
Understood, Chief. I'll work on that. The advisor at your first 10-minute mark.
Evacuation's in progress. Fire underneath the train car is extinguished, but we still have active fire in and around the car. Engine 27 responding.
Engine 27, report to the Phillips parking lot. You're going to be assigned to evacuations at this time.
Copy.
All units operating in Ridley Park at the train fire. Use caution. Amtrak is reporting track 2 is still hot with active train traffic. Repeating, all units operating in Ridley Park. Track 2 is still hot with active train traffic. Command, just be advised, Amtrak is advising that if you're operating on the Phil's landscaping side, it is safe, but track 2 on the opposite side is not.
That's correct. Thank you.
Ridley Park Command.
Proceed.
Alright, due to the nature the run cards aren't coming up properly. I have engine 12, dispatch, engine 43. Your two closest RITs, I believe, were RIT 17 and 44. I started them.
That's fine, forward.
Squad 17 with 6.
Squad 17, 1829. Squad 17, your best access is Chester Pike.
Copy that.
Engine 27, arrival.
27, okay.
G48 Bob.
G48.
The command post is going to be my vehicle. We're directly up on a Frills landscaping.
Here's operating Ridley Township, correction, Ridley Park Borough. The command post is going to be in front of Phil's Landscaping at Chief 48's vehicle. Command post at Chief 48's vehicle in front of Phil's Landscaping.
Put an announcement out, manpower pool in the parking lot of Phil's Landscaping, and I need a company officer from every company with accountability tag to report to the command post.
All units operating Ridley Park Borough. Unit officers or company officers report to the command post with tags. Being all units operating Ridley Park Borough, your company officers to report to the command post with tags.
Barbara, do you have EMS still midnight?
That is correct, sir.
You send a supervisor to the command post, please.
I will make sure he's en route.
Fire, I got an operational update for you when you're ready.
Chief 48, go ahead.
Alright, we've got one car involved by fire right now. We got a crew from 8 and 48, active suppression on that. As of now, it is reported everybody's off the cars. Once we get the fire under control, we'll start searching cars one by one.
Receive, you have one train car involved in fire at this time. Companies 8 and 48 are in service. You'll start searches as soon as you're under control.
Yep, and obviously let us know once they secure all the power to the tracks, please.
That's correct. We're working on it. They're not being very cooperative. I believe supervisors from both Amtrak and SEPTA should be arriving shortly, if not already on location.
Copy.
Also, if you're not already aware, fire police were started from the area. Let me know if we're needed.
Alright, Chester Pike and Sloan to start, and then we'll go Chester Pike and Myrtle, both directions.
Okay.
Square 43 responding.
Square 43, 1833, Fire Station 12, any 12 apparatus. Engine 12, 1833. Have all manpower report to the parking lot of Phil's.
Yeah.
Ladder 48 bar to command.
Got it, he's right here.
We opened one of the windows in an indirect fire attack. Still making progress.
Alright. Deputy 48 is going to be in charge of suppression down there. Give any reports in, please.
Copy.
Command, just be advised, 20 minutes.
Right now we got 2 lines in service. Establishing manpower pool. We're going to get ready to start doing searches from the rear of the train to the front.
Receive 2 lines in service. Establishing a manpower pool. Searches will be on the way shortly. 1835.
Alright, we're Chief 48's got operations. Deputy 48's got suppression at this time.
Also received.
Truck 17 responding with 6.
Alright, Deputy 12 is going to have manpower. Deputy 48.
Engine 12 arriving.
48.
Deputy 48 operation.
John Luke.
Can we see if we can get a 2.5 foot of line back here and a couple high-rise back to trucks down here to get more line up to the front of the train?
Alright, I'll get him to you. Engine 12.
Dead engine 12.
Guys, bring your high-rise kits up to the back of Squad 8, please, in the parking lot.
Copy direct.
Square 43 arriving.
Square 43 31837. Operations when you're ready.
27 responded.
Operations when you're ready.
Calling operations, Bob.
That's correct. When you're ready, I can give you a rundown of the units at your convenience.
Just stay on, please. Doc, what is the rundown?
Alright, on scene you should have engine 7, engine 8, squirt 67, ladder 48, engine 48, ladder 7, engine 12 should be on scene or arriving. Squad 44 is responding. Rescue 44 is responding. Truck 17 is en route. Squad 17 is also en route. You should have engine 27, squirt 43 on location. And then EMS-wise, as of right now, I have ambulance 52A, ambulance 12, ambulance 2, medic 102C, medic 100, assistant chief 100. We are starting a cover to the area, and EMS is covered as well.
I copy, thank you.
Fire to 27, command. Fire to air unit 27, switch to fire channel 6.
Copy that, 5-4, switching to channel 6.
Rescue 44, can you switch to fire 6?
Squad 7 is arriving.
Operations W48.
Good.
Got anything out, Lou?
We're doing alright. We're hitting this what we can from the outside, waiting for the all clear so we can make entry. We're in the process of getting the ground ladder to one of the windows and trying to get somebody up there with a novel.
Sorry, we were just notified by Amtrak that they killed the power. We're just waiting on the crew to arrive to ground the tracks. So just stay defensive for right now.
Copy that. Do we have orders on the other side of the tracks are shut down yet?
All 4 tracks should be shut down. They're just not grounded.
Copy.
I'll advise you when that happens. Fireground, direct.
Operations, I did not catch the end of your message. You were cut out by another channel.
Sorry, we're just advised by Amtrak. The power has been shut down to all 4 tracks. We're just waiting for the crew to arrive to ground it.
Received, unnotated.
Ladder 43 on location. Got operations.
Do we know if the other cars have been searched?
Yeah, we're getting ready to start that right now. We're waiting to get the routines in place, and then we'll go car to car. Stand by for right now. Operations route 44.
Man, Bowers, man.
Got
Send somebody with a drop.
Try it again.
Send somebody down with a drop, please.
Alright, on the way.
Truck 17 is the location.
Manpower, I got a copy tool coming from 27.
Copy that. And then I have Amtrak police with me coming to your C6. Flying Power Command.
Got operations.
Just be advised, we're going to be putting a third line in service off of engine 8.
Alright, copy. Operations manpower. We had to send a crew from 43 out of manpower down to the rear of the train, the last car. Meet up with Route 44, one at a time. Search each car and give me a report when you're done.
Alright, I'm looking for 43 now. 567, you want me to send them down?
Yeah, if you already have 67 manpower, that's fine. Just keep track of how many guys you're sending, let me know. And have a meet up with 44. We're going to label the cars from that end. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to the car involved by fire.
Manpower, we have 4 from engine 12, heading down there now.
Copy.
Sheet 12 will be the contact for that. Sheet 12, you ready for that line?
Operation 7048.
Got it, 7048.
Chief, how many companies do you have actively involved in fire suppression right now?
Currently I have 3, I got 4887.
Alright, I copy.
Well, Chief, command.
Got operations.
412, entering your last car.
You're on muffled. You say you're entering the first car?
Entering the last car. Work our way towards the front.
Okay. For designation purposes, we're going to start at car 1 and work your way back.
Forward, command.
Got operations right here.
4th 10-minute mark, 40 minutes in.
We got 3 lines of service. We got crews starting searches from the rear of the train to the front. We're power secured to all 4 tracks. We're waiting on them to be grounded.
Hey, 55. Operation, second superior, Mike. Fire 7, second superior, Mike.
Fire, you got an identifier on it?
Mobile Chief 48.
Operation, Father.
Operation.
Can you put it out to tracks 1 and 2, the 2 northbound tracks are back in operation at slow speed, no more than 15 miles an hour. First up to Amtrak.
All units operating Ridley Park, be advised. Both northbound tracks are back in operations at slow speed, 1858.
Operations manpower.
Go ahead.
Give me a rundown of what companies you got in manpower, please.
Right now I have 67 operating right now. I have 43 taking windows 70 and 48 entering car number 131.
Okay, you're telling me they're going interior on that train car?
Yes, they're going interior on 130, car number 131 with a line.
Okay, is that the front car?
It's the one right next to the one that was on fire, to the left. Second to last car.
Alright.
Interior to operate.
Got it.
We need that purple line charge so we can make this final attack.
Repeat that.
We need the purple line charged, or the dark blue one, for the final attempt. We've extended the line, we just need to charge today.
Sorry, Deputy 48. Okay. Did you copy that? The purple A line needs to be charged?
Yeah, stand by, let me figure out what truck it's coming off of.
Operations as well as officer.
Dead.
How are we making out on searches of the cars?
Searches are negative on all the cars.
Okay. Five, correct?
Correct. Search of the negative 1901.
Operations Deputy 48.
That is Deputy 48.
Chief, can you give me an update on suppression, please?
At this time, all visible fire from the outside is knocked. I do have members entering the one back of the train now.
Copy. Operation fire.
Operation.
Put a message out. Anybody not actively involved in suppression, please report to manpower. Pretty shortly we're going to run a par check. All companies operate.
Any unit not involved in suppression activities, report to the manpower, pool 1903. Florida Command.
Got it.
10-minute mark, 50 minutes.
Alright. At this time, searches are negative. We've still got 3 A lines in service. All hands working.
1906.
Deputy 48. Dad. Come to the front of the train. Copy. Just be advised, we do have one train coming on the northbound track now.
Fire, would you put the message out, please?
All units operating really park, keep caution. One train coming on the northbound side, 1908.
Operation follow.
Proceed.
Just to give you an update on the EMS, at this time we have no reported injuries. There have been 0 transports from the scene. All EMS units are still in staging.
Copy. 0 injuries, 0 transports this time.
Operation.
Got it.
The fire's out. We're making good progress with extensive overhaul.
Copy.
Deputy 48 operation.
Got it.
We are confirmed that the power is secured to the train, correct?
Correct. They cut the power. We still do not have confirmation that the tracks are grounded yet.
Alright, copy. So we're still waiting to see if the trains are grounded yet.
Starting handler. Operation Deputy 48.
Dad.
In your UVAC, are we under control?
Yeah, we're under control. We just got guys inside trying to do an overhaul. We're just trying to figure out if everything's secure so we can start cutting the roof panels of the train.
Alright, stay on. I'll get confirmation on that.
Copy.
Operation Deputy 48.
Proceed.
So anybody that is not actively involved in suppression or overhaul, send them all back to manpower. If they all listen to you, send them to the command post. Manpower is in the rear of Squad 8.
Copy.
Robert, if you would, put that message out, please. Anybody not actively involved in suppression, overhaul, or rent should be in the rear of Squad 8 in manpower with Deputy 12.
Once again, all units not involved in suppression, red or overhaul, report to the rear of Squad 8. Again, all units not involved in suppression, red or overhaul, report to the rear of Squad 8, 1930.
Dad. Can we get that blue line charge, please? Stand by. Engineer, you want the blue line charge? It's the green line, we have it. Operation. Josh, confirming with the Amtrak guy, the Amtrak responsible. He said the train is dead. Everybody is to stay on the offside, which would be, I guess, the passenger entrance. Nobody needs to go on the tracks if they're operating until they can confirm that the rails are dead.
That's correct. Power is down on lines 3 and 4. Lines 1 and 2 are active. They're the northbound lanes at low speed. Amtrak crews on the scene. They're working on grounding the wires now.
Engine 8. Engine 8. Shut down the blue line. Yeah, that's been shut down.
Our operations 6, 10-minute mark, 60 minutes into the incident.
Don, I can hear a report in a second.
Chief 7, the only thing you have charged off the engine is a green line and a yellow line.
Operations Deputy 48.
Got it.
Can you give me an update, Lou?
It appears all visible fire is knocked. Crews are inside, checking for extension and overhaul now.
Doc, how many lines you got service?
Currently 2.
Got it. We're fine, ready for an update.
Proceed.
Doc, at this time we got 2 lines of service. Crews are doing extensive overhaul to put the fire under control.
Our operations is placing 350 West Ridley Avenue under control, 1919.